What now? This is our state, Bennett. This is our state. Say us.
Where do we live?
Where do we live, Bennett?
What state is it?
What state is it?
You, Andy. What state is it?
It's South Carolina. South Carolina. North Carolina. Virginia. West Virginia. Ohio. Michigan. Does he like it? New York. Vermont. New Hampshire. Rhode Island. Yeah. Connecticut. New Jersey, Maryland, Delaware, Atlantic Ocean. Where are you, little baby? Say horsey, horsey, horsey. Car. Oh, that'd be an easy one for him to say. Car. Hey, where are you? Piggyback ride. Say car. Car. I know outside. Nah. Where are you, kitty pie? That's going to be it, okay? You come on with me. You come on with me, because Bennett likes outside. So I'm going to be here. Mama, come with me.
Bennett's sitting on it.
What?
So this is...
He probably liked it, doesn't he?
So Andy, where's the Atlantic Ocean?
What? Right there.
Right in that on that side. What's on the other side of the United States? What ocean?
Pacific Ocean.
Where do your cousins live?
My cousins?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, Arizona. And where does Ben live?
Huh?
Where does Ben live?
Ben lives in Illinois.
Where is Illinois? Is it near here?
Find Illinois. It was up closer to Ohio.
Ohio. Ben's sitting on Ohio. Ben is on Ohio. Near here. Right there?
Did you find it?
No. Right there. Where's Illinois? Illinois.
What does Illinois start with?
Illinois?